welcome back as CryptoFollow channel. Let's take a look at the local zones for Hbar because soon I think we can try to open good long. First moment, guys, what you have to know, if we not hold the line around here or around retest of 8 cents 067, the road can be open absolutely straightforward to the 5 cents 21. It's a 27 level, so we already retested 18 level by FIB, and you remember around here, around here, around here, I showed you it's possible to see the 8 cents again, but people screaming we're going directly to the $5, but unfortunately it's not happened, and all market crashed, especially the altcoins crashed. BTC more or less feel good. Anyway, BTC at least hit the new all-time high and performed pretty good, but Hbar still not reached even the new all-time high, and the people continue to talk about a $10, $50 and all of these random numbers. My take about Hbar, you remember if you watched the previous video. So what bad is good? What is bad and what is good? The bad moment we can, today is Wednesday, by end of this week, we can drop again to 8 cents. And honestly, I wish to see one more drop, at least to the range, like if we count the range between these levels, it's not like till penny, but approximately. So I wish to see the 610.65. So around here, one more sweep. Technically, we already sweep this low, but this is not sweep and grab liquidity. What we're looking for. Who they liquidated? I guess only the guys who open maybe the crazy trades with, I don't know, if they open the trade here, they liquidate maybe the guy who had a stop losses with 100x. So 4%, I don't know. Even the 10x leverage is not liquidated. So, you know, what's the point of that sweep? So if you open a trade here, you can get a liquidation. Even with the 10x leverage, it's just a 50. So with 20 leverage, maybe you get a liquidation, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And here, what stop losses do you hunt? 0.05 stop loss, percent stop loss. It's not even a 1%. That's why, guys, I think it's not enough, and I think we can drop a little bit lower. It's going to be the best option. Why? Because usually we form like 1, 2, 3 drives pattern down. The best option will be if BTC going down again to 62 or even the 50, I don't know, 58, 600s, sweep. And in March, we're going higher because now the market's so boring. It's not on you. It's not on me. It's not I think something. Everybody say now the market like desert. No good trade, nothing. Even I start looking at something on the meme coins, you know, on the trenches, because at least it's fun, at least it's interesting, because there's no volatile, nothing now on the market. Just some random tokens, even the Atletico Madrid token pump it over than 200%. What? The fan tokens start pumping. That's why the market makers now they pump only the low liquid tokens. All right. So zones, I will show you. Spot position, you remember, my take is at 5 cents, maybe I will start looking at the spot position for the Hbar. One take. The futures, I wish to see the 665. Done. Now let's take a look with indicators. Global targets, guys, in how high we will bounce, of course, you know. Anyway, so this order flow, I wish to see the sweep. And after that, we start climbing up to sweep this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. Now there is no market structure. To talk about continuation with a new market structure to the yearly open, we have to break the structure of 1345. So it means, you know, so this is an impulse. We have to break this structure, break of structure, or maybe correction, maybe even this move, you know, like inverse head and shoulder, and start club it up to the yearly open, some 25. But now we're still in a downtrend. So we have the lower highs and the lower lows. So simple structure. Highly recommend you go and check the video about a structure. So let's take a look with indicators, ADZ, direction, market mood. What we can see here. So this was accumulation. We bounce. Now nothing. We bounced just a few cents from 7 to 10, 3 cents pump. And now we once again almost at the top. Mind blowing. Here was accumulation. Time to buy. This is accumulation. This is a hopium, just a hopium, not disbelief or capitulation. Once again, the bad sign. Take a look. Here, we meaning accumulation form a divergency, because here there's 12 time frame divergency. 869, yeah, ADZ, and this is a 725, 721 divergency pump. Now nothing. Now we're just in neutral zone, and I wish to see one more drop and the format the bigger divergency, and after that a continuation. We're not even sweep this 12 time frame structure. It's kind of bad, guys. It's kind of bad. And by seasonality, I guess we have still 10 days in February. So I think, yes, nothing good for altcoins by end of the February, unfortunately, guys. And we can drop lower. Kind of strange accumulation. So some type of trill zone on the market mode. Too early to buy. The eye on the structure. So mark this one at least, guys. So here. Mark at least this like a break of structure on the 12 time frame. So the last impulse, correction, and we're not even a break 1090. And it will still not enough to talk about the real break of structure, because real break of structure will be around here on the daily time frame, the last impulse, and after that we have to go to the weekly time frame. So nothing. Money power. Once again, here, money inflow, here's a money outflow. Just a 3 cents pump, and once again, the whales fix a profit. Weird, absolutely weird. Once again, even the daily, here, the money in, now we're at the top, soon we will see the money outflow. Let's add alert to the money outflow on the daily. This is going to be mind-blowing, but soon I think we will see something like this one and continue to roll down. It's not a FUD, it's not a, I spread the bad news for the Hbar. No, just the facts, guys. I'm bullish. I'm bullish for the altcoins. I hope, like any other traders and investor who's stuck in an altcoin, because I think the 90% of people stuck in altcoins who not fix the profit in Zone 24. And we wait to outer break even. That's why I'm waiting, and I hope the Hbar will recover higher. And why I'm also waiting this one, because usually when the Hbar pump, the algorithm pump. That's why I'm waiting the Hbar pump. To open short, it also can be kind of risky, because where to add a stop loss, for example, is here. It's kind of crazy stop loss, 22%. So 44 with the second leverage, no makes sense. That's why, guys, just better wait. Here, this can be the good entry. It's hard to say where to add a stop loss, but 66, this one, 66 and 5. You remember this one? Somewhere here, you can add the stop loss like 7% with second leverage 14, and the right at least to the break of structure on the day on 12 time frame. It's over than 140. So 14 against 140. Amazing. Risk ratio 1 to 9. Nice. Or 10 against the 200. So that's a deal. Here, at least you can try to open trade. I don't see any other option to do something. Now it's just by luck. Usually, Wednesday when we pump, usually on Friday we dump. So I would be not surprised if we sweep this high. Everybody talk about a break of structure, but it's just a 12 time frame. And after that, we come back and lower to the 871 by a weekend. That's why, guys, no good moments now for the alts, unfortunately. Oh, nice. 4 hours and frame, the buy, sell. Add notification to the take profit from the sale. At least we saw the signal take profit, this one from sell. Take profit on the 12 time frame, buy. Recommendation close position, no new signal to sell. And I hope we will not see the signal again to sell, because here is a buy, recommendation close position, buy, recommendation close position. Now nothing. That's why, guys, let's add alert to this one, to 4 hours and frame take profit signal. It's going to be the signal to close all short position or potential new open long. Take profit, guys. Wow. 6, 10, 28. It's a buy line on a 4 hour time frame. 12 time frame, we tested the buy line, but we can test it again. It's 7 cents on 12 time frame. Daily, here. We can dump to the buy line again. It's 773. So honestly, I don't think so we will drop to the 6 cents, but it's possible because the fundamental value of this token now it's 5 cents 79. I also don't think so we will drop to the fundamental value of this token. I'm more about, we're going to drop, sweep this high, for example, and drop to 7 cents, but lines are dynamic. So maybe in the next few days, the line will be here, for example, by February 28, maybe. So track the take profit from the trade on indicator on 4 hour time frame. Add alert. I recommend you track the money outflow and track the buy line. So just added that's 3 alerts and wait. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about it. Hbar. If you'd like to trade with my custom markets, I will show in this video. Just write in the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.